Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 26th April 2021. And the topic is When I Close My Eyes. May I now welcome Mrs. Benita Nicolas to recite today's poetry. Come on, Benny, come and blast on the topic.
When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. P. Carolyn Santa. It's late in the night. The day's work is over. The bed is ready for me. A kind of happiness. My time, my own time. My body aches for rest. I try to go to sleep. Wow, what an array. Thoughts race non-stop. True, little knowledge is dangerous. I envy the innocent, the little ignorant. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. B. Sherin. Do I switch off the gas stove? I often check it at late nights with tired bow. Oh my God, I doubt the terrace doors are opened. Inquired my boy whether they are locked. What is that sound? Is the water dripping? Yes, the salty board water made the tap leaking. Do I put my mobile in the charger? If not, the next day I have to bother. Ever before I close my eyes, I can't sleep in peace. I'm sure to forget something undone. To set things right, I have to run. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. Jayanti. When I close my eyes, Almighty triggers my soul to face the eternal life. The bright vision of Almighty makes me boldly to walk with grip. Wherever I am with insecurity, Almighty spatter the holy water of hope. Indeed, it is true His presence purifies me by removing the sin in me and lifts me up. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. G. Sarla. When I close my eyes, welcoming a sound sleep, my heart and soul cherish as the day turned out well, but my mind, though locked in dark, open its eyes wondering for the next day to thrive. And sometimes my eyelids, though made together, flutters its wings, awakening anxiety during festive and function to earn the fruit of enjoyment. But when my eyelashes closes wet, carrying the mist of sorrow, soon my soul consoles to dry, as my heart and mind hug, opening my eyes to imagine the curved line faces of my children. By Mrs. S. Lakshmi. When I close my eyes, I might see your lovable face at dark of night in my dreams, cause you are dwelt in my thoughts. You are the big boss of my family. Without you, my heart pains heavily. I miss your love and affection, and you are the man of perfection. When I close my eyes, my heart laments for those wonderful days. All the function days are like grand celebration, but now the days roll out without completion. You are not only a good father, for me, you are the best father in law. But still, you guide me and shower your blessings, cause you are spiritually imbibed in our heart and soul. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. K. Nitya. It's heaven, of course, it is heaven. I was doing my Bachelor of Education. We friends used to sit under long trees. We chat and poured happy and mournful events. All memories still there, the trees overheard all. Really, such a pleasant place. Nice hill station, complete mist, chapping birds, passing clouds. We used to go up in the mountain daily. Thoroughly enjoyed the moments. It is evergreen in my heart. Do you know who she is? When I close my eyes, I enter Kodaikanal. She is a princess of South India. When I Close My Eyes by Miss Tanya Gopinath. When I close my eyes, the day before exams, the calm, quiet exam hall comes into my mind. When I close my eyes, the day before my vacation, boarding the bus comes into my mind. My heart is filled with happiness and joy. When I close my eyes, I think of my 20s. I am colorfully walking towards my future with lots of goals to capture. When I close my eyes, I think of blank pages, new ideas for my new books to write, and new illustrations to draw. Living and dreaming are easy when your eyes are closed. When I Close My Eyes by Dr. Mary Suresh. When I close my eyes, mind goes to meditate, but thoughts tickling it. Soul goes to rewind of past, feelings hurt it, emotions wound it, memories mesmerize it. Simultaneously done, as zigzag running in the maze mind, disturbances lot, deviations more, sitting physically, wandering mentally like refuge. Feelings mature, thoughts mellow, soul basks, mind freaks. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. Yamini Priya. A week before marriage, eyes refuse to rest. Memory ponders in the chest. Butterflies flutter in the mind. You are so gentle and kind. Good old memorable incidents create unexpressive emotions. Wishes to speak to the desolate moon in the sky. Could feel like counting the stars in the night. An individual conversation goes on deep within. Your unconditional love and concern makes me feel you are my universe. Thoughts about you creeps in and disturbs the sleep. All beings in sleep, but I am asleep. When I Close My Eyes by Mr. Lokesh. When I close my eyes, I get a vision. You are in a big ship. A little bird told me it takes dawn to dusk to fly over it. You are sailing, but on pearls and other beautiful stones, yet you are not able to reach the shore, where I am waiting for you day and night. Keeping my eyes wide open so the shine in it can guide you in the night, along with the lighthouse and the moonlight. And in the daylight, you won't miss the sound of my heartbeat, cause it calls your name. I open my eyes for the mobile notification. Those are the reminders for all my EMIs. Wish closing EMIs are as early as closing eyes. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. S. Shyamala. When I close my eyes, I see the faces with smiles, taking me in the flowery path which finally reaches the woods. Trees with small and fall welcomes me with a bird's call, then by shedding leaves on me and blowing breeze around me. Fruits of different colors tempts me to fill my stomach, but felt untouched as it attracts much, seated all the swing made for me. Seems like awaiting someone near. In a flash, my mom takes her entry, sits beside and pat my shoulder, telling stories of my early life. Then she comes chasing me through the woods, and the flowery path at once vanishes by waving her hands. I hope to meet her again with the thought that she is always with me, so I often close my eyes. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. M. Nazima. When I close my eyes, you are all I see. In the dark of night, you are in my dreams. Throughout the day, you are easy to find. You are always there when I close my eyes. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. P. Carolyn Santa. Nothing can clog your brain, nothing can check kind look, nothing can seal compassionate words, nothing can silence loving heart, nothing can arrest helping hands, nothing can interrupt busy legs. The sky is the limit. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. C. Bharti Priya. When I close my eyes, my soul departs to the land of love and romantic hearts. Only our sounds of kisses were heard. Ouch, how prickly were his moustache and beard. Leaning on his shoulders, holding his hand, enjoying the breeze of the exotic land. Will be there for you forever, said his eyes. And mine, your love will make me reach the skies. We both danced like Prince Charming and Cinderella, and around us the angels sang a cappella. Seeing our love, how jealous was the moon. To conquer such a love is a boon. Suddenly I heard a loud scream, and that's where ended my dream. Yea, it's my alarm. Your guess is right. Through my window peeps the sunlight. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. Vinnie Ram Kumar. The curtain to my dream world gets unfurled as soon as my weary eyes drowse and swirl. A world of my happiness, a world of my desires, a world that fulfills my daydreams and hopes. It's my world, very beautiful world. Sky is the limit to fly as a bird. No worries with my own set of rules. Sometimes I still live the life of my school. It gives me more what this real life fails. Wish to live my life as the sea ship sails. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. A.P. Manikavalli Kannadasan, I found the world with good persons only, lots of magnanimous actions, always loved all and served all. No religion, no caste, no creed, no discrimination. Nature rejoiced, people flourished because love only ruled. When I Close My Eyes by Dr. S. Kylberry. Whenever I close my eyes, I dream about my future. At times, that day's torture, it has a mother's nature. Never fails to nurture. Dreams lead to my venture, holds pictures to capture. I'm happy to close my eyes to experience the gift of dreams, deserving dreams come true. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. S. Bharati. When I close my eyes, try in vain to stop cries. Closing means to me to make my sobs flee. If at night it is a cry of a fish, I can water my pillows as I wish. But in broad daylight, hide my anguish I fright. I long to peacefully sleep, brushing aside all my weep. I helplessly worry that makes me too weary. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. V.T. Kavita. When I close my eyes, it clearly pictures the ones whom I wish to forget. It's so hard to breathe with regret. Life teaches many things, but after losing forever. The sacrifice we made, the love we shown, the priceless time we spent, when go useless, life become meaningless. The beautiful meadow, the tree's pleasant shadow, a child's warm touch, lovable words by dear ones, dries up with the thought of loveless fellowship. So, I never wish to close my eyes in distress to avoid stress. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. Princeland Joanne. When I close my eyes of windows, a terrible memory of insane emerges. Bubbling emotion merely whirlpools, like the Dead Sea, there it stagnates. Tries not to leave my eyelids, refuses to flutter its iron wings. How could I transform the enigmacy of heaviness? Tears flow as perennial rivers. Mind fixes a program to delete, heart keeps remaining to rewind. Is it a fanatic illusion of inner conflict? Under your sunshine, tears evaporate. Drenching in your showers of treat, Dream Valley echoes voice of sweet. When unlocks the doors of intellect, at once I discard the distress from my feeble heart. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. Viola. When I close my eyes at night, I remember God's grace which held me tight to do my duties. With joy I recount. When I close my eyes, I recall the to-do lists for the next day's highlights. My heart is filled with love after a day's toil to coach my students at the 11th hour to pursue centum result every year. I feel the enjoyment on festive days, the cherishing moments I shared with family and friends without ends, pondering the beauties of nature among the hills and valleys, chasing butterflies in a garden full of flowering plants and fruitful trees. Before I close my eyes forever, I want to fulfill my lifelong duties ever with perfection to win the incorruptible crown. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. P. Alice. When I close my eyes, I visualize my lovely smiling princess who lives in Melbourne, my heart filled memories in Bern. My little princess serve my parents, missing a lot, crying for parents. Tears burst out, hiding thoughts, eyes watering in painful visuals. My pleasant days with soulmate, memories of romance climate, interference of unwanted members, disturbing my peace enters. When I Close My Eyes by Mrs. U. Maragadam. When I close my eyes, lots of thoughts queue up.
reminiscence about happenings, some good, some bad. Good ones go deep into the subconscious mind, bad ones begin to conquer us. Mind and brain wrestle with each other. After a long struggle, mind forecasts the next day's routine work. The body beseeches to relax, accepting the request nap embraces, alarming of the late night. When I close my eyes, by Mrs. R. Ramapriya, I think of love which been shown by others to me during my pain, feeling the presence of God's showers, accept the effect of karma as it returns, planning to live to serve others, write poetry as my heart renders, celebrate my life as God's definition, agree that self realization is self creation.
Thank you, dear Mrs. Benita. It was really wonderful to hear your melodious voice. Thank you, dear creative writers, for your awesome penning. Really feeling great to hear you. So keep penning. Those who want to join this group, kindly send a small comment. Thank you.